Hey, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever it is, whenever you see this. In case you haven't seen, Governor Wolf has closed Pennsylvania schools for the indefinite future. I still don't know when we'll end up getting back into class or not, but it's not going to be anytime soon. So, in case you haven't heard, the school has been reaching out to people to try to let you know that we're going to continue learning online. I've been posting stuff for a few weeks now to try to maintain some continuity. Today was the first real official day of school being open again. So if you've not already done so, get on to Google Classroom, take a look at assignments. Things are going to be ramping up. Right now, have not been graded, but as soon as I'm given the directive, things will start getting graded. So be proactive, get on Google Classroom, and uh, get to work. Thanks. Bye.